Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be trying a new style, which is a flat twist and curl. Stay tuned. So today we are doing a flat twist and curl, and we are using the TGIN Miracle Repair leave-in conditioner and Miracle Styling Gel. So I have done a video on these two products doing a flat twist out, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a flat twist and curl. So let's get right into it. I've already done this side section of my hair, and so far it is looking good. I am doing my flat twist in smaller sections, so we're going to move on to this front part. I'm going to go in first with the Miracle Repair leave-in conditioner. And this conditioner is lightweight and very moisturizing. It definitely reminds me of the Rosewater leave-in conditioner, which I also absolutely love. So again, this is my second time using these products, and my results the first time were amazing, and I am expecting the same thing today. So we're parting off the small section. I'll pin the rest of this out the way. Go in with my rat tail comb and further detangle. And then I am adding 2 pumps of the gel. And just working that through. And I'm gonna go back in with my comb again to further detangle. And then I'm gonna start my flat twist. So I start with a section at the top, and I twist that. And then as I'm going down, I'm just grabbing more hair. So grabbing and twisting, grabbing, twisting, grabbing and twisting. And I'm doing that all the way down, and then once I get to the end, just gonna go back in with my comb again, detangle, and then add my perm rod. So I'm starting at the top, placing the perm rod underneath my hair, and I'm just wrapping it around the rod. And then once I get to the end, I'm wrapping that hair around the hair instead of the rod so that it stays in place, and then just smoothing it around a couple of times, and then closing up the rod, and that's it. So I'm just going to continue those same steps throughout the rest of my hair. Okay, so the front section and this side are done. So I'm just going to finish the rest of it off camera and I will be back. My hair is all twisted and curled. I'm going to sit under the dryer for about an hour and hopefully it's dry. If not, I'll go back under so that we can come back and do the takedown and the final reveal. Let me show you what we're looking like right now. So I'll be back when it dries. So we are back for the takedown. I did end up sitting under the dryer for an hour and everything pretty much feels dry. So I'm hoping that once I start taking them down, there are no damp spots, because the worst thing that you can do with a twist out, whether it's a regular 2-strand twist out, flat twist out, even a braid out, is taking down the style when it is not fully dry. That's a no-no. So let's go in, see what we're working with. So far, so good. Okay, so all of our rollers are out and these curls on the end look really good. So now it's time to take the twist down. So this is my first time doing a flat twist and curl, and so far, so good. So I'm just gonna continue to just untwist each section, and then we will separate and fluff. Okay, so my hair is all taken down. I am going to go in with my pick just to eliminate any of these parts that were created from the flat twist. Do a little extra fluffing, and I will be back for the final reveal. Just want to say that my hair feels so soft, so moisturized. The curls and the twist are so defined. And yeah, we'll be back with the final look. And here are my final results. I am so in love with this flat twist and curl. We'll definitely be doing this style a lot more. I'm gonna try it again with no part and just give myself a really big fluffy afro, because this is definitely the vibe that I'm getting. My hair is soft, it's moisturized, it's bouncy. I'm loving this. So let me show you what the back is looking like. So again, this is my second style that I have done with this leave-in and gel combo. This is the TGIN Miracle Repair line. So I use the leave-in conditioner and the gel, and these are my amazing results. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried these products and what style I should do with these products next. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.